Learn how to make homemade curry soup. The components: 2 tablespoons butter, 1 chopped onion, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of flour. For cups broth, you can use chicken or vegetable broth. 2 potatoes cut into small cubes. 1 carrot cut into thin slices. 1 cup of milk. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons chopped coriander optional. How to prepare. In a deep saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic to the melted butter and stir until soft and translucent. Add the curry powder and continue stirring for 2 minutes until it is toasted and fragrant. Add the flour, mix well with the onions and garlic, and leave for an additional minute. Gradually add the broth and continue stirring until the mixture is combined. Add the potato and carrot pieces to the soup and leave it to boil over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender.